Good morning, children. I hope you all might be safe at your homes, taking healthy diet, including green veggies and fruits, and at the same time, you also might be enjoying with your siblings. Yeah. So, but children, don't forget to study at the same time. And nowadays, it's raining almost every day, so the weather is quite pleasant. So you feel like studying more in this weather, according to me. I don't know what is your opinion, but according to me, I feel like doing more kind of activities in this weather. Now, so let's leave our talk up just up aside, and let's focus on the lesson, that is the next lesson of your moments book, that is the Happy Prince by Oscar Wilde. Okay. So today I'll be summarizing this lesson, and you too, after it's your choice, either after hearing seeing the video or before seeing the video, just go through this lesson so that you'll have a proper understanding of this lesson. Now, so this is a story of a statue of a prince and a little swallow. Swallow is a kind of bird. Okay. So this is the story of a statue and of a prince and little bird swallow, who in order to help the poor sacrificed their lives. Now, how did they sacrifice their life and what did they do to help the poor? So we'll just see in the lesson. Now, there was a statue of a prince called the Happy Prince, okay, who at one time was a real prince. When the prince was alive, he was happy person, okay, and as we know that all the prince live in a palace, so he also lived in the palace and did not know about human suffering. His life was full of joys, but when he died, so what happened, the statue was made of this prince, and it got installed on a tall pillar high above the city. So it was a beautiful statue, children. So how come it was a beautiful statue? As it was covered with gold, okay, had sapphires for eyes, okay, eyes were made of sapphires, and there was again a ruby in his sword. उसके तलवार में ruby थी. Now what are sapphires and ruby? Sapphires and ruby are the precious gem stones. सफ़ायर को आप हिंदी में नीलम बोलते हो, जो नीले रंग का होता है, एंड रूबी इज टर्म्ड एज आई गेस मानिक. यस, मानिक. मानिक को रूबी बोलते हैं, विच इज़ रेड इन कलर. नाउ द हैप्पी प्रिंस कुड सी द सफरिंग्स ऑफ द पीपल इन द सिटी एंड वॉज अनेबल टू do anything for the people. So why was he unable to do anything for the people of his kingdom? Because he was unable to move now. Okay, he was a statue, he wasn't alive. Now, one day what happened, that a little swallow which was on his way to Egypt landed on the statue. So why did the swallow landed on the statue? Swallow क्यों उस statue पे आकर रुक गई? Because he was tired, and so he decided to spend his night at the feet of the statue of the Happy Prince. Now, after resting for some time, the swallow, felt that she was being drenched in water. So just to find out that where this water was coming, she just looked up, and what did he observe? The swallow found that the statue was weeping. Okay, weeping मतलब रोना. जो statue जो है वो रो रहा था. Now he was the swallow was very kind and full of pity. Okay, when he saw that the Happy Prince was crying, so he just asked the Happy Prince that what was the matter and why was he crying. So at this, the Happy Prince told him that when he was alive, okay, when he was a prince, real prince, he was unaware of the sufferings of the people, and now when he is not alive, he is dead. Okay, he is installed on a tall pillar high above the city. He is able, he just he could see the people in the city who were hungry, means who were suffering. Okay, he could see the sufferings of his people, and he feels really bad when he sees the sufferings of the people, and he want to help them but could not move. So this pathetic condition makes him very miserable. So now why he could not help? Because he could not move. So by after saying this, he just requested the swallow to stay with him for some time and help him in helping the poor. So at this, by hearing this statement of the prince, the swallow agreed. Swallow भी है वो मान जाता है कि okay fine, I'll be staying with you. Okay, after when you're done with helping people, then I'll be going to Egypt. Now the happy prince now started. Okay, he just after some day, what did he see? That he just saw a seamstress. Who is the seamstress, children? Seamstress is a woman who sews cloth, okay, for to earn her livelihood. वो seamstress उसको बोलते हैं जो कपड़े सिलती है. वुमन जो है वो वुमन रहती है, वो कपड़े सिलती है. Okay, you can see in the picture. Now why was the happy prince feeling sorry for seamstress? Because she had no money to feed her ailing child. Ailing मतलब बीमार. Okay, उसके पास पैसे नहीं थे, पैसे नहीं थे जो कि वो अपने बच्चे को कुछ खाने के लिए ला सके. Understood? So by seeing this, what did happy prince do, children? Happy prince helped the seamstress by sending his ruby through the swallow. Okay, so this is how the happy prince helped the seamstress. Now what happened after this? He just requested the swallow to take out a sapphire from his eye and give it to the playwright. Now who is a playwright? Playwright is a person who writes plays for the theaters, TVs or radios. Okay, जो plays लिखता है, नाटक लिखता है. Okay, so that particular person is termed as playwright. So he just gave out sapphire from his eye, and to whom did he want to give it to? He wanted to give that sapphire to the playwright who was about to faint because of hunger and cold. Now similarly, what happened the next day? The next day, what happened? The happy prince requested the swallow to pluck another sapphire from his eye. So now already he has just given one of his sapphire, and now he was asking the swallow to pluck again another sapphire. Now at this, the swallow did not agree, as this would make the prince totally blind. But on being insisted by the prince, he finally plucked the another sapphire. And whom was he supposed to give? He was supposed to give it to the match girl who was weeping, as she had no money to take home. So first the ruby was given to the seamstress. Secondly, the one of the sapphire was given to the playwright, and another sapphire was given to the match girl. So now the happy prince became totally blind. Now by seeing the condition of the happy prince, now the swallow decided to stay with him forever. The prince asked him to go to Egypt, but he refused. Now onward, the swallow would tell the prince the stories of the poor, okay, whatever is happening in the kingdom, who is suffering, and the happy prince would ask the swallow to take the gold off his body and give it to the poor. So this is how the prince was helping his people of his kingdom. Now after some time, what happened, children, that when the weather had become extremely cold, okay, there was snow all around, and then after some time it turned into frost. Now After during this extreme weather condition, the poor little swallow could not survive and fell dead. Okay, so the little swallow died. Why? How come it died, children? He died due to tremendous exposure and exhaustion. Okay, इतनी ज़्यादा ठंड पड़ रही थी that the little swallow was not able to survive. Okay, he was not able to survive and he died out of extreme cold and tiredness. Now at this, when the prince saw the condition, the dead swallow, so his heart, which was made up of lead, okay, it broke into two pieces. Understood? So he broke into two pieces means it also got destroyed. Okay, now next morning the mayor of the city visited that site. Okay, visited that place, the place where Happy Prince statue was installed. Where was it installed? It was installed on a tall pillar high above the city. So the mayor of the city visited that site and found the statue useless and unattractive. So why did the statue appear to the mayor unattractive and useless, children? Because there was nothing beautiful in that. The Happy Prince had taken off. He has just given off all his you can say the precious stones and the gold which was there in his body in order to help the poor people of his kingdom. Okay, so so this was it. The statue therefore it appeared useless and unattractive. So when at this, the mayor just asked his men to pull down the statue and melt in a furnace at a foundry. जब स्टैच्यू अब सुंदर लग नहीं रही थी तो देयर वाज नो यूज ऑफ keeping that statue. So he finally ordered his men, okay, to order his staff to just pull down and melt in a furnace at a foundry. What is a foundry? Foundry is a place where glass or metal is melted and shaped into object. Okay, so that particular place is termed as foundry. So when the statue was taken to foundry, it was put in a furnace. So what happened? The entire body got melted, but the heart, which was made up of lead, could not be melted. It did not melt. Okay, so the men just decided to throw it in a dust heap, and ultimately the heart, which was made of lead, it was thrown in a dust heap where the dead swallow was also lying. Okay, so again they are together over here, the dead body of the swallow and the heart of the Happy Prince. Now at this, what happened, that God asked one of his angel to bring him the two most precious things in the city. As you can see over here, it's clearly mentioned that bring me the two most precious things in the city, said God to one of his angels. And the angel brought him the laden heart and the dead bird. You have rightly chosen, said God, for in my garden of paradise this little bird shall sing forever more, and in my city of gold the Happy Prince shall praise me. So at this, what did God say? That he just praised the angel for the right choice. Okay, for the angel has made a right choice. God said that little bird would sing forever in his garden of paradise, and the Happy Prince would praise him in his city of gold. So you can just see that at the end, the two of them, that is the prince and the swallow, were not disparted. They came together, they were again united. Okay, and so this was it. I hope you might have understood the lesson. Okay, the lesson is really very interesting. So you can just see. Okay, so children, just prepare yourself after reading this lesson. Now you can just see that the swallow in the story the happy prince played a very critical role in making the prince happy. Okay, so what traits does the bird possess which makes it fulfill its task? Of course, there are tasks like the swallow enjoyed flying and was excited about reaching Egypt, where they awaited his arrival. Okay, then what happened that he was inquisitive. Okay, when he saw that there was no rain falling and yet drops fell on him. So before looking for a dry chimney pot, he just looked that where was the water coming from. So he just looked to the statue of the prince, and the water was coming from the cheeks of the happy prince. Okay, so this is it. The swallow was extremely compromising and delayed his departure to Egypt in order to carry out the wishes of the happy prince. Okay, so this shows that the swallow was very kind at heart, very responsible. Okay, so I hope the lesson is clear to you, the summary is clear to you. So children, go through this lesson once again. Okay, and then we'll discuss some questions regarding this lesson in the doubt clearing class. Okay, so till then, go again. I'll be giving you some question answers. So go through the question answers or write the question answers in your copy, and please maintain the a record of all the question answers whatever has been taught so far. Okay, it will be fruitful to you in future. So that's all for today. Stay home and stay healthy. Stay safe at the same time. Okay, thank you children.